There's nothing quite like a proper plate of chips, golden brown, crispy outside, soft and fluffy inside. It's the kind of food that brings a smile to your face and makes any meal feel special, whether you're sharing with friends or enjoying a quiet night in. Forget those floppy, pale ones. We're after the real deal. The kind that crunches when you bite in, with a golden shell and a cloud-like center. That's what we're aiming for today. Making them at home isn't as tricky as you think. With a few good spuds and a bit of patience, you can create the best chips you've ever tasted. It's all about choosing the right potato and giving each step the attention it deserves. The smell as they cook fills the house, absolutely smashing. It's a scent that promises something delicious is on the way, and it's hard not to sneak a taste before they're done. Imagine a steaming pile on your plate, each chip a perfect stick of potato goodness. They're golden, piping hot, and just waiting to be devoured. Sprinkle on some salt, hear the gentle crackle, and enjoy one of life's simple pleasures. Maybe you like a dash of vinegar or a dollop of ketchup, whatever your style, it's all about that first bite. No fancy gadgets needed, just a love for good, honest food. All you need is a sharp knife, a sturdy pan, and a bit of enthusiasm. So, let's roll up our sleeves and turn humble potatoes into golden treasures. It's a little bit of magic you can make right in your own kitchen. First, we pick our potatoes, give them a wash, and cut them into sticks. Uniform pieces help them cook evenly, so take your time with this step. Then, it's a quick soak, a good dry, and into the hot oil for a swim. This helps them get that perfect crunch on the outside while staying fluffy inside. Each step matters, like building one of my inventions. Care and attention make all the difference, and you'll taste it in every bite. The reward? A plate of perfect, crispy, golden chips, made by you. There's nothing quite as satisfying as seeing your own handiwork on the plate. Now that's something to be proud of. Ready? Let's get started. Before we start, let's gather all the tools and ingredients you'll need for your fry-up adventure. Having everything prepped and within reach will make the process much more enjoyable and help you avoid any last-minute scrambles. You'll need 4 large russet potatoes. These are starchy and perfect for making fluffy, crispy chips. Their texture holds up beautifully to frying, giving you that classic chip bite. Next, oil for frying. Vegetable or canola oil works well. You'll want about 6 to 8 cups, enough to fully submerge your potato slices for even cooking. Don't forget salt for seasoning. A good sprinkle of salt right after frying brings out the best flavor in your chips. For tools, you'll need a big, heavy pot. Something like a Dutch oven is ideal for maintaining steady heat. A kitchen thermometer is essential for keeping your oil at the perfect frying temperature. You'll also want a slotted spoon or a spider strainer. These help you safely lift the fries out of the hot oil without making a mess or risking burns. A sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board are must-haves for slicing your potatoes evenly, which ensures they cook at the same rate. A vegetable peeler is handy for removing potato skins, though leaving the skins on adds extra flavor and texture if you prefer a rustic chip. Grab a large bowl for soaking your potato slices. This step helps remove excess starch, making your chips crispier. You'll also need some kitchen towels or paper towels for drying the potatoes thoroughly before frying. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Finally, set up a wire rack over a baking sheet. This lets your finished chips drain and stay crisp while you finish the batch. That's it. Just simple ingredients and basic tools, but together they'll help you make something truly delicious. With everything ready and organized, you're all set for the fun part. Cooking. Good preparation makes the whole process smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. It's the secret to stress-free frying. Now let's get those spuds ready for their transformation. Onward to chip perfection. Let's make some magic in the kitchen. Start by scrubbing your potatoes under cool water to remove any dirt. This step is crucial to ensure that no soil or grit remains on the surface, which could affect the texture and taste of your chips. Peel them for classic chips, or leave the skins on for a rustic touch. The choice is yours. But remember, leaving the skins on adds extra fiber and a unique flavor. Slice each potato into thick planks, then cut those into even sticks, about 1 centimeter thick. Consistency and size ensures that all your chips cook evenly. Uniform size means even cooking. This is key to achieving that perfect crunch in every bite. Now here's the secret. Soak your potato sticks in a large bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes. This step is often overlooked but is essential for crispy chips. This pulls out excess starch, making your chips extra crispy. The longer you soak, the better the results. You'll notice the water gets cloudy. That's the starch leaving. This is a good sign that your chips will turn out perfectly. After soaking, drain the potatoes and lay them out on a clean towel. Make sure they are spread out evenly to dry properly. Pat them completely dry. Water and hot oil don't mix. This step is crucial to avoid any dangerous splatters. The drier the potatoes, the crispier the chips. Take your time to ensure they are thoroughly dried. Take your time with this step, it's worth it. Patience here will pay off with the perfect crunch. Once dry, your spuds are ready for their hot oil adventure. Make sure your oil is preheated to the right temperature. Proper prep is the foundation of perfect chips. Every step you've taken so far sets the stage for delicious results. Let's move on to the frying. This is where the magic happens. The transformation is about to begin. Get ready to see your hard work pay off with golden, crispy chips. Time for the first fry. Pour oil into your heavy pot, about halfway up the side. Heat it to 160 degree Celsius, 325 degree Celsius using your thermometer. Don't rush, let the oil come up to temperature slowly. Fry the potatoes in small batches. Don't crowd the pot. Lower the dry potato sticks gently into the oil with your slotted spoon. Let them cook for 3 to 5 minutes. They'll look pale and soft, not brown yet. This step cooks the inside, making it fluffy. Lift the chips out, let excess oil drip off, and place them on your wire rack. Repeat with the rest of the potatoes. The first fry is all about texture, not color. Once all batches are done, let them cool a bit. Now get ready for the magic of the second fry. This is where the crunch happens. Now for the grand finale, the second fry. Heat your oil to 190 degrees, 375 degrees. This higher temperature gives chips their golden, crispy shell. Fry the pre-cooked chips in small batches again. Watch as they sizzle and turn golden almost instantly. 2 to 3 minutes is all it takes for that perfect color and crunch. Listen for the crisp sound as you move them around. Lift them out as soon as they're deep golden brown. Don't let them burn. Place them back on the wire rack to drain. The double fry method is the secret to chips that are fluffy inside and crisp outside. Just look at them, absolutely splendid. One last step, seasoning. Let's finish strong. While your chips are still hot, sprinkle them generously with salt. Toss them gently to coat every chip. Classic salt is perfect, but feel free to experiment. Garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even a pinch of cayenne. Add your seasonings while the chips are hot so they stick. Serve your chips piled high on a plate, delicious on their own, or with classic dips like ketchup or mayo. They're the perfect side for burgers, steak, or fish. Or just enjoy a big bowl with friends. Homemade chips are a treat worth sharing. The golden crunch, the fluffy inside, pure joy. You've created a masterpiece from simple ingredients. Savor the moment. There's nothing better than fresh homemade chips. Enjoy every bite. You did it, from humble spud to glorious golden chips. Take a bite, hear the crunch, taste the fluffy inside. That's homemade success. Remember, good potatoes, even cuts, a cold water soak, thorough drying, and the double fry method. Once you master this, frozen chips will never compare. Making things yourself is always more rewarding. Share your chips with family and friends, food that brings people together. And here's a fun fact. French fries might not be French at all. Some say they were invented in Belgium where villagers fried potatoes when rivers froze and fish were scarce. So next time you eat a chip, you can wonder, is it French or Belgian? Either way, it's a cracking good story. Thanks for joining this chip adventure. Keep experimenting, keep sharing, and keep enjoying good food. Until next time, happy frying.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.